Oh, there. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to it. Yep. Welcome to another episode of Wild Bill and JoJo. JoJo taking pictures?
Yeah.
All right.
Here's your phone.
Got my new assistant here, people,
I got all my things.
and my other assistant as usual,
Yeah,
TT.
I didn't turn on, yeah. All right, hold on to it.
And right now we are at Jones's Tree Farm for some pumpkin picking, people. All right, this be Jones's Tree Farm. Don't worry, there'll be some other activities besides. All right, family farm. Sorry about that. I stand corrected again. More errors on my part.
Yes, we'll get you a pumpkin, JoJo. I know you want a big
But as I was saying, there's hay rides and other stuff here to do. So, and later we will be at Lake Compounds. I promise.
I want to get 20.
Pumpkin time. Lots of gourds. We got gourds, and more gourds. We got gourds all over the place. We have a corn maze. And let's see. We have a $3. Yeah, good. They got different prices by size. They got more gourds over there. More gourds. More. Pink. Oh! Cornhole. Watch the bee on your head, Ted. Cornhole, people. That's a fun game. Wait, cornhole without bags? Whoa, that's a new way to play it. More gourds, people. A truckload of gourds! Oh, there's a tractor. This is a busy place today. There, I said there would be hay rides. I did promise you hay rides. And I take it the others went on ahead or coming the other way. I take it. His cousins will be here. Right now he's looking at $30 pumpkin stee.
Well, we're going to look for our house that big, but not there, that one, you can get that one, grab it.
Good trade-off. I like that trade. That's a fair trade. Boy, that's a fast find on a pumpkin.
Now, which one do you want for our house? You want this one? Come here. And now we need to get a small one for maybe a
Gonna learn how to mix GoPro with regular tonight. We have no choice. I'm determined to do what a certain other blogger who was here recently didn't do. And that is ride some roller coasters. Okay. And we found ourselves a little bitty village. A village for the little people. Or as you'll find out, one wild person too. Let me check inside your house. There you go. Oh. If I don't smack my head, I'll be all right. Yeah, wild fits. What are we doing? I thought you were taking pictures, Joe. Oh man.
There's a bench, yeah.
Yeah, there's a bench in here. Joe's taking some pictures from inside the house. There's strawberries on the wall, people. Oh, I love strawberries. Strawberry shortcake would be good too, right, Joe? Wait, what happened?
I got stuck.
You got stuck?
Yeah. Ow!
It's ready. It's ready. I had to fix this camera for him, people. It's a picnic basket, Joe. Yeah, it's a picnic basket.
Look, Christmas trees.
All right, Christmas trees.
Wait, JoJo.
We're rushing the season. I'll pick one out. Uh-oh. Hit in front of the tree. Don't photobomb. I hate photobombing. So we're not going to photobomb.
Over there and pay, I think.
And we're off and riding. Through the pumpkin patch.
There you go. At least we got one.
Look at all the people out there picking pumpkins.
Not guaranteed this works.
Don't worry, Joe. It just takes practice.
No, No, I said I can't.
You'll get it right.
I
It
said
just
I can't
takes
do teamwork
practice.
right now.
Uncle Billy's still working on it. Not everything I do comes out. I have to edit a lot of stuff.
Yeah, we're moving.
Yep, we're moving. That's a pumpkin patch.
Yeah, your tattoo's staying on.
Forever.
Forever, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to bore you too much with a pumpkin patch.
No, stay where you
I
are.
gotta figure this out.
Why?
Because the vehicle is moving, so you're not moving.
Oh man, we want to go down to
Let's go to grapes.
get the grapes, man. Merry Christmas, everyone. How quick the seasons go by. Everything up my house. Oh, that's a huge one. Wow.
You know why your picture taking? He doesn't like videos. He'll sit for pictures. He doesn't like videos.
He what?
He likes pictures.
I know he likes pictures. The video thing wasn't working. I want to take a picture of the DJ. This is Wild Bill. Unfortunately, this is the end of this adventure. I will catch you next adventure. As always, please treat everybody with kindness. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I recommend you check out Cam Creations. Okay. I highly recommend it. I'm sorry that we did not get to go to Lake Compounds. But between my car and weather, we have failed again. Now, I don't know if I'll get Compounds next week because it was sort of strange. I'm torn between two things. I wanted to do my Halloween video at Mystic Seaport. That's what I really wanted to do for Halloween. I still feel that the Compounds still an open issue, but again, it was more about riding the rides than doing a horror show. Because I felt a fellow vlogger didn't really ride the rides there to show you really what they were. So I wanted to mix Halloween with that. We'll see how it goes next.